One day, a girl named Lily decided to clean her house. She saw that the house was a little dirty and there were many dirty clothes. Lily wanted her house to be clean and neat. First, Lily started with the living room. She picked up all the things from the floor. She put books and toys back on the shelves. Then, Lily used a vacuum cleaner to clean the carpet. The living room looked much better. Next, Lily went to the kitchen. She washed all the dishes in the sink. She wiped the counters with a wet cloth. Lily also mopped the floor. The kitchen was clean and shiny. After that, Lily saw the dirty clothes. She said, "It's time to do the laundry." Lily gathered all the dirty clothes. She put them in the washing machine. Lily added soap and turned on the washing machine. The machine started to wash the clothes. While the clothes were washing, Lily cleaned her bedroom. She made the bed and dusted the furniture. Lily was happy to see her room so tidy. Finally, the washing machine finished. Lily took out the clothes. She hung some clothes to dry and put others in the dryer. After the clothes were dry, Lily folded them and put them away. Lily looked around her house. Everything was clean and in order. She felt very happy and proud. Lily said, "It's nice to have a clean house."
What was the first room Lily cleaned in her house? What did Lily do with the dirty clothes? How did Lily feel after cleaning the house and doing the laundry?